guys, June 2nd, 2022. This one I got a call from a guy. I believe I worked for him before. He seems to know me over the phone. So he's got a problem with his air conditioner. His outside unit's not running. He checked the breakers. The breaker's not tripped. But for some reason, the outside unit's not coming on. We'll have to go by there and see what's going on with it. But anyway, that's the story. We're going over there first thing this morning and see what we can do for this cat. Smalley had to go chase her to catch her. She didn't want to come to work this morning. It's a little chilly this morning. It's probably only like 65 out so far. It's only like 65 out this morning so far. I got a bunch of jobs to do. I think the rain's gonna hold out. Hopefully it does today, because I got quite a few of them to do today. Get them done, bang them out. Try to get you some shots. What do you have for a thermostat?
What's that?
Where's the thermostat?
Right here. The heat works.
Alright. Alright. Have you changed the batteries?
Yes.
Yeah, so that doesn't seem to be an issue. Alright, so the fan does come on. Let's look at the breakers while I'm here, if you don't mind.
No, I don't.
Okay, so you got breakers up there and you got breakers here, so it should be a 50. It's probably condenser, which is a 50. It's a big unit, huh? You got 2 units or 1 unit?
2.
What's up on top of this one?
This is for the upstairs.
Alright, so there's nothing there. Alright, so according to this, we should have power. We'll go check it. Sounds like the fan's humming.
Huh?
Probably a capacitor.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Hear the fan?
I'm sorry?
Hear the fan?
I don't know.
Probably a capacitor. Let's hope.
Not for me. I thought it would be the capacitor, but first of all, my physical condition is not up to that, and secondly, I don't want.
Oh, you got a problem with your legs or something?
Oh yeah.
What's the matter?
I've had 7 surgeries already, Steve.
7?
Yes, sir.
Holy shit. Look, a flipping cat. 7 lives. Oh, yeah. She looks puffed. She looks puffy.
Yeah.
Definitely looks puffy. It's that time of year, you know, you get 1,000 calls.
I believe you.
Let me see what we got here. It's probably an 80. Yeah, an 80. 80-75. Alright. Let's see what I got in the chalk. We gotta change that for sure. Alright, we got one. 80-75. We got one. You got lucky.
That's good.
Usually I don't carry a lot of the 7.5s, but I started stocking them because most of the units around here are all 80s-5s. But the 7.5s, you don't see too many of them, but I started stocking them just for shits and giggles this year. Good thing. Get the other one that's definitely puffed. That's definitely a problem. It's a little puffy under the eyeballs, you know?
I assumed it, and again, I'm not an expert on this, but I assumed it was because this one is attached to the same. We get power here, this one is working, and normally it's if the compressor's not working, One of the problems is that. Is the capacitor.
Right. Could be.
Could be. That's why I said one of the problems.
So you retired now? You like it?
No.
You don't like it?
No.
Why not? You like working?
Yeah, number one, but number two, I'd like to be retired.
So let's see now. This
do
one
certain
here.
things, but I can't.
This one here is the Herm.
I can't walk much.
Oh, that sucks, huh?
Yeah.
That's the
I'm
Herm.
always in pain.
Yeah, that's the Herm. Boy, that sucks if you're in pain. Yeah.
Well, when
This is
when
the fan.
I mean, they nicked my nerves, so I got nerve pain constantly, 24/7.
Really?
Yeah.
Nerve pain.
That's horrendous.
That sucks. I got people get on my nerves too.
You son of a bitch. That's a good one. Oh shit.
Alright, that's the fan.
That's the joke of the day.
That's a joke. And oh, wait a minute now. This is the common. Yeah. You can tell this thing's all puffed out. See how puffy it is?
Yeah.
I can tell it's no good. It's all puffy.
Yeah.
See it puffy?
Yep.
And I could hear it trying to start.
Yeah, it was humming. Yeah.
And then this is the common. Gotta make sure these are nice and snug. Alright, so that should fire. Should fire now. Let's put the... Definitely puffy. Alright, let's see if it fires now. What do you think? I think it's gonna fire.
I think so too.
How has it been cooling? How has it been cooling? Fine?
Yeah, it's going fine. But it retired on us.
Son of a bitch, I make it look easy, huh? Had the pot in the truck, that's what's good. What else did I did something for you a couple years ago.
Yeah, you did,
What was it?
what was the heating system?
Something to do with the heat, the furnace.
Yeah.
Yeah, I always try to treat people right. I mean,
I'm the kind of person, I'm not perfect, but I like to treat people the same way.
it don't pay to try to screw people over, because then it doesn't work out so well for you.
I call it. Well, I appreciated what you did.
Yeah, no, she's fine. It charges fine.
I had a...
You haven't had any problem with it cooling down the house, right?
No.
No, she's fine.
I had company here from the old country real quick,
And I got it fixed.
and you fixed it.